Man accused of killing sister attacked by mob in St. Anne. Man mowed down while walking on North Coast Highway. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A man has been hospitalized under police guard after he sustained injuries that were reportedly inflicted on him by an angry mob in response to his alleged involvement in the stabbing death of his sister in Ticket District in Discovery Bay, St. Anne on Saturday. The deceased is 59-year-old Lynette Brady of Ticket District. Reports are that sometime after 5 p.m. on Saturday, Brady and her brother had a dispute during which the brother allegedly used a sharp implement to stab her several times. When the resident heard of the incident, they reportedly attacked the man, leaving him with several serious injuries. The police were alerted to the unfolding events and managed to rescue the injured man on their arrival. Both Brady and her brother were taken to hospital where she was pronounced dead and her sibling was admitted for treatment. The police have not yet established a motive for the killing, as investigations are ongoing into the overall developments. A man died as a result of injuries he received after he was hit by a vehicle along the North Coast Highway in Trelawney on Sunday night. The deceased has been identified as Kirk Donner of Scarlett Hall, Trelawney address. Reports from the Falmouth police are that about 11:50 p.m., Donner walked into the path of a blue Subaru Impreza motorcar which was traveling in the easterly direction along the highway in Scarlett Hall. He sustained multiple injuries and was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Falmouth police are investigating.